So today in this session we are going to see the next sum of exercise 8.4 of NCERT textbook of class 10th. So before proceeding to question number 3 of 8.4 exercise, we have to know the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So we'll see it that sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta, and tan 90 minus theta will be equals to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta. So this relation you have to know, that sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. We can prove it by taking a triangle also, and from the trigonometric values that we have already seen of particular angle. If you put for example theta, suppose if you take theta equals to 30 degree. So now what will be sin 90 minus theta? So sin 90 minus 30, so that is sin 60. 90 minus 30, so sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is left hand side, and what is right hand side is cos theta, and cos theta we have taken 30, so cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. So both the sides are nothing but same. We can prove this by taking triangle also, so we'll see later on. Now but for the next sum you should know this relation, that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and so on. Now we'll see the sum number 3. So sum number 3 is evaluate. It is given that you have to evaluate the value, that is sin square 63 plus sin square 27 divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 73 degree. Now, so we have to evaluate this. Now in the last exercise, if you see, there were the standard angles, that sin square 45 plus tan square 60 degree, or tan square 45 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So for that we know the values, so we can directly put out the values of sin 30 degree, 45 degrees, 90 degree, that were standard angles. Now here, but it is given that 63 and 27, we don't know the value of this directly. So in this case, what we have to do here is, if you see that 63 and 27 are complementary angles, 17 and 73 are complementary angles. So the relation that we have seen in in this session earlier, that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So using that we can solve this sum. What I'll do here is, I'll convert this sin square 63 plus sin square 27 into an identity, that was sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So we have to make the thetas are same. So either you change this value or this value, either of the two. So if I change this, that sin square 27, can I write this as sin square 90 minus 63? Because 90 minus 63 is 27. So in the place of 27 we have written that 90 minus 63 divide by, now in this, out of the two you can change either 17 or 73. If I change 17, so I can write here is 90 minus 73. So 90 minus 73 is nothing but 17 plus cos square 73. Now this will be sin square 63 plus sin square 90 minus 63. So that is sin 90 minus theta. So what is sin 90 minus theta? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So in the place of sin square 90 minus 63, can I write cos square 63? Because sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Since we know that sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. So theta here is 63. So cos square 63 divide by, again here cos square 90 minus 73, that is nothing but cos square 90 minus theta, that is cos 90 minus theta will be what? Equals to sin theta. So can I write in the place of cos square 90 minus 73, can I write sin square 73 plus cos square 73. Why? Because since we know that cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Now if you see here, this is nothing but an identity, sin square 63 plus cos square 63, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, both are the same theta values, that is 63 and 63. So I can use that identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. In the denominator also we are getting sin square 73 plus cos square 73, again that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is nothing but equals to 1. So this is nothing but equals to 1 divided by this is also equals to 1. So 1 divided by 1, that is equals to 1. Since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. The angle should be same here, that is sin square 63 plus cos square 63. The theta should be same, then only we can apply this identity. So the answer will be equals to 1. So this is the question number 3, part 1. So we'll see the part 2, that is, it is given. So hope you have written this. Now part 2 is in this, sin 25 into cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sin 65 degree. So this is the part 2 of question number 3. So again, if you see here, 25 and 65 both are complementary angles, 25 and 65. Again we'll use that same formula that we have studied, that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So you convert either one of the two, either you convert sin to cos or cos to sin. So here in this, suppose I convert cos to sin, so what will be here is sin 25 degree into cos, can I write this 65 as 90 minus 25, because 90 minus 25 is nothing but cos 65 plus, so we have converted here cos, so here we are going to convert as sin, because we want here full sin term and here full cos term. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. So if you have converted here cos, we are going to convert here sin. So it will be cos 25 here sin, and I write 90 minus 25, because 90 minus 25 is nothing but 65. So therefore it will be equals to, now sin 25 cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. So theta here is 25, so it will become sin 25 plus cos 25, and here sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so it will be cos 25. So now we will write here, since we know that sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. So now sin 25 into sin 25, that will be sin square 25 plus here cos square 25. So now sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but equals to 1. The answer will be 1, since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So this is how we can solve this. So hope you understood the sum, and you have to remember that trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So in the next session we are going to see the question number 4 of exercise 8.4. Till then practice question number 1, 2 and 3. So you'll get thorough with all these questions so we can do the question number 4. Till then all the best. Thank you.